find out how simple it is to make chawanmushi. Let's try the shiitake flavored chawanmushi sauce. In one pack, you will get 3 sachets. Items needed: chawanmushi sauce, egg, mixing tool, spoon, measuring cup, microwavable container, whole parsley. You can also get these chawanmushi cups and spoons. Let's start. Crack 1 egg into the bowl. Whisk it well. When using egg master, it's easy to whisk. Add 1 sachet of chawanmushi sauce. 150 ml of warm water with a measuring cup. Mix well. This is the easy microwave chawanmushi container. Pour the mixture through the strainer to reduce bubbles. You may also add other recommended ingredients inside, such as chicken, fish cake, shiitake mushroom, ginkgo nuts. Close the lid tightly and it's ready to microwave. Set the microwave to 500 watts for 2 minutes. Be careful of the container temperature when it's done. Garnish with parsley topping. Delicious chawanmushi is ready to be served. Super smooth and jiggly. Savory egg custard complete.